I'm Maureen Russell, Senior Conservator for the Museums of New Mexico. I've had a fascination with marionettes from a very young age. I have about 150 of my own now, and I started playing with them from the time I was a very young child. Gustav Baumann started making these marionettes for shows for his little daughter Anne when she was a child of about 8 years old. The ones that we see at Christmas are 5 reproductions of the originals, the Santa, Miguelito, and Duendes, but they're not the originals. So these are the first time these have been out to the public in decades and decades. The conservation has been much more involved than I thought. The puppets will seem like they're finished, and then we find out that they'll be hanging and all of the joins will be rotted because they're 80 years old. Considering they're that old, though, they're in pretty marvelous condition. So I've been going step by step through the collection, surveying them, working on each marionette. There's about 76 of them. And it's become a labor of love. I love absolutely every one of them. They each have unique things that they do. Temperance the drunk, I've made him so he can actually drink the liquor, and he panhandles. Pecos Bill, the horse, it can gallop now. Most of them didn't have strings. 40% didn't have the airplanes, the things that you see that they hang from, so we've replaced those. Most of them were made about 80 years ago, and I don't think they've been played with since the 50s and 60s, and many much longer than that. I'm so looking forward to seeing what the public thinks of them, because personally for me, it's just been such a labor of love, and they're just amazing to work on. And I think they're going to love them.